Hello, my name is Bill Ash. I live at 1802 Highland, number 44, and I'm here speaking in behalf of Save Ash Creek Homes. Ms. Wolf's made a lot of allegations, but let me say, just because Ms. Wolf says something is true, we found that it's not. We have public documents and records to prove that. Let me read a record of a letter, an email received today, May 18, 2006, and it was emailed to Marty Ray. She's one of the concerned neighbors of Ash Creek. So, Marty, you may use the following quote. According to Sergeant Ron Dillon of the Dallas Police Department, Northeast Division, a review of criminal offenses and calls reported occurring in the Ash Creek Mobile Home Park over the last 3 years reveal nothing unusual or any excessive number of criminal offenses. My official position on Ash Creek Mobile Home Park is neutral towards their continued presence under a city-approved non-conforming permit. I am not involved in any city code compliance issues. Sergeant R.C. Dillon, D-I-L-L-O-N, badge number 4535, North Patrol Division, telephone number 214-671-0161. You know, in the old time, in the 1800s, there was a word called railroading. That's what's happening to us. There's been trumped up charges filed against us. Ms. Wolf filed specious documents with the city of Dallas. They were filled with falsehoods. In a land of law, especially when we raise our hand and swear to tell the truth, truth matters, Ms. Wolf. Truth matters. Some information is true, but a pattern quickly emerges, a pattern to mislead and deceive. A mistake or two, well, maybe honest mistakes. But when the documents and testimony are based on falsehoods, no, that's not allowed. There's a way to address this type of predatory attack on the court. Save Ash Creek Homes will file papers with the district attorney's office and bring Ms. Wolf to task for perjury, libel, slander, and filing false and misleading documents with the Dallas Board of Adjustment. If you're a member of one of the 13 homeowners associations and you sign Ms. Wolf's petition, perhaps you should be concerned about that. This is just, you know, I don't know, what do you call it, framing? I see Mr. Carl Evans here. He came on our property. He was a man that was hired to deliver a custom-made code report on us. Our code man and our code records were not at the Dallas Board of Adjustment. The assistant city attorney, we asked why our code man and our code records were not there because we were clear on that. So the assistant city attorney said they hired Mr. Evans to go out and give them a report. Now you hire somebody to go out and give you a report. What do you think you're going to get back? Let's talk to our code man. Let's look at our code records. And let's look at our compliance and how well we cooperated. Just because Ms. Wolf gets up and says things that aren't true, it doesn't make it true. Please give us a chance, like any citizen deserves, to get to the standards of our community. We are a little rough around the edges, we'll admit that, but we're not what they're making us out to be. Dilapidated criminals. No, we report the crime in the creek and the railroad track. And they, in our opinion, misused the Dallas nuisance abatement law against us by saying that that's our crime because we call it reported. We have public records to support this. I ask you to let us survive at Ash Creek. We've been good stewards of the land for since 1949, 57 years. Thank you.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Bill.